Start by drawing a vertical line and divide it into 3 sections. Draw a horizontal line passing through the center of the vertical line and divide it into 5 sections. Draw the shape of the face using the lines for reference. You'll notice that this character has high cheekbones, which are marked with reliefs like this. Draw a square, angular chin at the bottom. Note that the cheeks should also have an angular shape. Then draw the shape of the ears, beginning on the horizontal line and extending down, just below the cheekbones. Draw the outline of the hair like this. This character's hair is tied back in a bun, which we'll draw on the right side like this. To emphasize the character's stern expression, draw the eyebrows like this. Mark the placement of the nose, along with some wrinkles and a thin mouth like this. Draw the shape of the eyes in the marked sections on the horizontal line. Then, add wrinkles above the eyes and around the nose. Here, we'll draw 2 large earrings. Erase any unnecessary lines. When you're finished, darken the contours. Finish the eyebrows. Add the final details to the eyes. Don't forget to leave a blank space inside each pupil. Reinforce the wrinkles. Draw the nose like this. Add a series of wrinkles above and below the mouth like this. Draw some more on the nose and forehead. Fill in the hair like this. Then, add contrasts on the earrings. Finalize the ears. To finish your character, draw a hairnet like this.